Welcome back to Autospeed Vibes, your go-to channel for all things cars, speed, and innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the decade, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. This all-electric pickup is Tesla's bold attempt to redefine what a truck can be, merging futuristic design, jaw-dropping performance, and eco-conscious technology into a single, groundbreaking package. The Cybertruck's exterior is unlike anything you've seen on the road. With its sharp, angular design and ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton, it doesn't just look like a vehicle from the future, it feels indestructible. Tesla calls it the exoskeleton, designed for durability and passenger protection. The armored glass windows add an extra layer of toughness while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. The LED light bar across the front and rear enhances its sci-fi vibe, making it instantly recognizable. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, Tesla has packed some serious tech. The Cybertruck offers three powertrain options: single-motor RWD, dual-motor AWD, and the beastly tri-motor AWD. With the tri-motor version, you're looking at a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 2.9 seconds, rivaling high-performance sports cars. Towing capacity? A massive 14,000 pounds. It's not just fast, it's functional. Inside, the Cybertruck features a minimalist cabin with a large 17-inch touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the vehicle. The seating for 6 ensures plenty of room, and the vault-like lockable bed provides secure storage, with a capacity of over 100 cubic feet. The adaptive air suspension lets you adjust the height for any terrain, whether you're off-roading or cruising on the highway. Starting at around $50,000 for the base model, the Cybertruck delivers incredible value for its innovation, performance, and unique design. Tesla's direct-to-consumer approach also keeps costs competitive, making it a game-changer in the truck market. Thanks for watching Autospeed Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and insights. See you in the next ride.